In this problem, we want to determine open intervals in which graph the function is concave upward or concave downward. So we got f of x is equal to negative 7x squared minus 3x plus 2. Well, our steps for determining concavity. First step is to find the second derivative. So f prime, take your power, put it out in front, lower your power by 1. Negative 3x just becomes negative 3. So that gives us negative 14x minus 3. Oops. Haven't got step 2 yet. Need to find our second derivative. Well, the derivative of negative 14x is negative 14, and then negative 3 drops away. Step 2. Set your second derivative equal to 0 and determine your critical values, critical numbers. Well, negative 14 equals 0, there is no variable to solve for, which means, excuse me, there's no critical numbers, no critical values. So for our interval is going to be one big interval, which is going to go from negative infinity to positive infinity. So if you ever come up with no critical values, doesn't mean you don't need to check. It just means that you got one big interval. Now we'll choose a test case in here. 0 would be a good one. And we want to plug that into our second derivative. Well, our second derivative is right here. There is no x to plug that into, so it's just negative 14, and since it's negative, that means that this is concave down. So our answer then is it's going to be concave down from negative infinity to positive infinity.